If you're having trouble with messenger calls, you're not alone. Today I'm going to walk you through some common issues and how to fix them so you can get back to chatting with friends and family. So let's dive right in. The first thing to check is your internet connection. Messenger calls rely on a stable internet connection, so make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or have a strong mobile data. If your connection is weak, try moving closer to your router or restarting your modem. Update the Messenger app. Make sure you're using the latest version of the Messenger app because outdated apps can have bugs that affect all functionality. Go to your App Store or Google Play Store, search for Messenger and tap Update if an update is available. Now, make sure Messenger needs permission to access the camera and microphone for calls. So, check the app permissions. Scroll down and find Messenger and make sure camera and microphone permissions are enabled. And that's all there is to it. Hopefully, this solution helps you fix the Messenger call